You've built an incredible engine with Kubernetes, but when the business asks who is spending what, you don't have a good answer. Your developers are spinning up resources to move fast. That's good, but without visibility, you can't hold them accountable. And you certainly can't defend your budget to finance. Pods scale, namespaces share resources, but your cloud bill just lumps it all together. How are you supposed to optimize costs when the invoice is a black box? And please, don't bring estimates to the leadership team. Tools that track list prices are fiction. They ignore your EDPs, credits, and discounts. If your numbers don't match the actual invoice, you lose credibility. You need precision. You need container-level allocation that matches the actual bill. CloudBolt solves this. Let's see how it works.
What you're looking at now is CloudBolt's Kubernetes cost report. CloudBolt combines your actual cloud bills with real container-level metrics from your Kubernetes clusters. The result is a complete picture of where every dollar is going. At the top, you can see your total Kubernetes spend day by day. This is your actual invoice cost, not estimates, not list prices. This reflects your real negotiated rates, your committed use discounts, everything. The bill matches what you see here. Below that, we break down these costs across the selected period, grouping cost according to your business logic. Right now, we're grouping by cluster, namespace, and workload. But cost can be attributed and grouped by any Kubernetes label that you've applied to your workloads. Each rectangle represents a grouped portion of cost, and the size tells you immediately where the spend is concentrated. Here's the key. These groupings aren't hard-coded. You define them. If you want to group by team, by environment, by custom label, whatever dimension you want, whatever matters to your business, CloudBolt will show you your costs allocated exactly that way. Change what you want to group by, and your cost view updates instantly. Let's drill into one cluster. I'll click this one. Notice how it breaks down further. Now we're seeing the cost of this cluster further broken down by namespace. I can continue to drill down and see the cost of individual workloads inside the namespace and even the cost of containers inside those workloads. Kubernetes clusters are inherently a shared cost since cloud providers charge for nodes, not container workloads. Idle portions of node resources are shown independently in the base view, as well as overhead, non-idle costs related to running the node. You can keep these elements of cost separate, or you can automatically and proportionally distribute them across workloads running on the cluster. This is what real Kubernetes cost visibility looks like. Bill accurate allocation down to the container, grouped by your own business dimensions.
Now you have defensible numbers, and you can finally hold your teams accountable, optimize with confidence, and prove your efficiency to the business. We are currently accepting customers for a private preview. Request access today and take control of your Kubernetes costs.